Baba Farid University of Health Sciences Faridkot has issued Round 2 Centralized State Counselling for Punjab. The provisional merit list will be displayed on 16 September and the last date for surrender of Round 1 joint seat or resignation of Round 1 joint seat with free exit is till 18 September 5 pm. The dates for filling or submitting online choices or preferences of course and college and quota as per the category through online portal is 18th and 19th September till 5 pm. The provisional allotment result will be displayed on 25th and last date of submission of objections to the allotment will be 26th. The provisionally selected candidates will pay the balance amount of fee, that is 6-month fee after deducting amount of security deposit through University Payment Gateway, and will report to the respective college for joining in the respective allotted college. The time frame for the same is from 27th September to 30th September. Once the applicant has joined the second round seat, he or she will be allowed to leave or resign the seat within stipulated period, but the security deposit will be forfeited. If a candidate does not report at the allotted college during round 2, then the security amount of the candidate will be forfeited, but he can participate in round 3 by paying the security deposit again doing the fresh registration. Also, after round 2, a candidate has the option to upgrade the allotted seat in round 3. If the candidate does not join the allotted or upgraded seat during round 3, the security deposit will be forfeited and the candidate will not be allowed to participate in further rounds. As far as the conversion of seats to open merit is considered, the conversion of seats of NRI or any reserved category after exhausting all candidates in the relevant category will be carried out during the round 3 only. The said conversion will be done only when the eligible candidates belonging to the said conversion category have exhausted. We hope that the schedule and the frequently asked questions resolve many of your queries. If you still have any query, you can write us in the comment section, follow Class to College and call us at 93190 for MBBS admission in India.